Well, hey there, folks. Yes, we're still alive. Right, Junior? Say, we're alive.
Right.
There we go. All right. Moving this van to over here where this motorcycle is. Right here. Making room for myself all the way up there to the front. What I'm planning on doing is switching cars around. That Mustang and this VW, which by the way is for sale. First $1,000 or so that comes, once it, you got to come and get it. I do not mail it. I do not ship it. I do not drive it anywhere. You got to come and get it. I'm going to be switching them around. Mustang's coming back here. I'm going to do some work on it. And I need the space back here. So this van is being pushed back further. And possibly might be selling the Mustang also. Don't know yet. But that's what I'm going to do here. So give me a minute here. Let us move the truck, this van, and we'll see how much room we got. Well, got it to where I want it, near the motorcycle. Now let's see. Yeah, got room here. So what I have to do now is switch the cars. Mustang runs, VW don't. Dead battery. German ingenuity. Yeah. Okay. Ooh. Air compressor. What did we say? We had a leak on here somewhere?
Yeah.
Where?
Air hose.
Air hose?
Air hose.
Well, I'm going to fix that up. Keep a lookout for it, folks. I'm gonna...
Yeah, it was leaking somewhere from here.
All right. Keep a lookout for it. I'm going to try to rebuild it. So, I don't know. Since I can't start the VW, I'm going to have to get a jump box for it. All right. Okay, folks. Just a little video, short video here to let you know we're still alive. We're kicking. And we'll see you in the next one. All right. Later.